Hi guys, welcome to Skill Masters. This video we're going to learn about what is mixed cell references. Okay, so let's start. In my last video, we saw what is absolute reference and what is relative reference. In this video, we're going to learn about what is mixed references. Okay, I have a table here. What we need to do is we need to multiply rows by column. Okay, it means that this particular cell should have the result of row multiplied by column, that is 2 into 2, the result should be 4 here. The same way here 3 into 3, the result should be 9. So same way the last cell should have the product of 5 and 5, 25. So we should get the same result in all the cells. Okay. So let's start. First we'll start with this particular cell. I'll type the formula equal to B5 into C4. When I press enter, I get the right answer. But when I copy the same formula vertically to the rest of the 4 cells, if I paste it, okay, and it doesn't work, okay, Excel gives the wrong value, because what we need to do is, when you see here, all these numbers are multiplied by this particular cell. That means this particular cell, that is C4, should be locked. Okay, to lock that particular cell, what we need to do is select the cell. When you see the cursor, press F4 from the keyboard, you'll see the $sign coming up, then press enter. Now if I copy this formula and paste it vertically, I get the right result. Okay. Now if I try to do the same thing by using the same formula horizontally, see what happens. Again Excel gives me wrong value. Okay, because I'll show you the with this show formula, it will be really clear. As you can see, this particular cell, it's the product of C5 into C4, which is actually wrong, because this particular cell should have the result by multiplying D4 into B5. Okay, so this formula is wrong. Okay, now I'll tell you how to do it. Okay. Let's close this. We'll delete all these cells. We'll start over. Okay, first we need to understand what is the common factor here. Okay, if you see this, we have to multiply these columns, this row with this column. Okay, so we need to find what is common in the row and the column. Okay, if you see this row, we have like C4, D4, E4, F4 and G4. Okay, if you see this 5 cells, the common factor is 4. Okay, so I'll just write 4 here just to make you understand. And if you see here, it is B5, B6, B7, B8 and B9. The common is B. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to log only the common factor. Okay, I'll show you. The formula should be B5 into C4. This is supposed to be the formula, but what we need to do is we need to add the $sign only to the common factor. If you press F4 once, I get $sign in both rows and column. If I press again, I get for 5, but we need to log B. I'll press thrice. The third time when I do it, the $sign comes before P. Okay. Now again I'll take the cursor, I'll click next to C4. When I press F4 again, when I press twice, the dollar sign comes before the 4. Okay. Now if you see this formula, we have put the dollar sign before B and before 4, because only B and 4 are common. Okay. Now when I press enter, I get the result. Okay. Let's check this formula whether it is working fine when I use it vertically. Yes, it is. Now we will check when I use it horizontally. Again, yes, it works fine. Now when I copy the same thing to the entire throughout the cells, yes, it works fine. Okay. So we got it. Mixed references might look a little complicated, but when you understand, it is very easy. The hint is you need to find which is common. What is common in the row and what is common in the columns. And you need to add a dollar sign to it. That's it. Problem solved. You'll get the right answer. This is mixed reference. Okay. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and please do share it with your friends. And I'll see you all in the next video with another content. Okay. Thank you so much.